Yo, yo. How's it going, dudes? It's Ty. Welcome back to another video. And as you can see,
bruh,
we are in the winter update, part 1. Now, as you saw by the title, I'm about to level up. But I'm about to level up, so let's get right into it. Alright. Bro, why do you guys love trenches? Why do you like the map trenches?
Well, it's easier to use with sniper.
Okay. L aim, bro. Bro.
round starting.
Yikes. No. Oh. Oh.
Yo, where's capture the flag?
Dog. Are we serious?
Let's put my skills to this.
What are you eating there?
Hmm?
What are you eating?
Chips.
Like, such as, and?
Hmm?
Like, such as, and?
Match starting.
Chips was, I don't know if you know what it's called, but it's called ketchup.
Round starting.
Oh. Yeah, GG, bro. Yeah, GG's. Great round. That round was like my best round I've ever had. GG's. Yo!
Round starting.
Level up. Oh, you can't hit these. You can't hit those shots. Yeah. You saw that? Instant replay on that, dude. I just hit every shot. Oh, you can't hit these. You can't hit those shots. Yeah. Bro, are you still crunching? Why are we crunching in the mic right now? Oh my god. Oh my god. Hey! Alright. W rank up. Let's play another extra game now that I'm tied in Nickelodeon. Hey! Do you? Yeah, I mean, we don't really have a choice right now.
Bro, you know I'm already having a headache, and I don't know if I want a 1v1. But
yeah,
since I'm already in,
I have no idea what he was saying. You'll definitely win this game. I'm not very good.
Bro,
Oh, nice try, bro.
I knew you were gonna spend with
What was this thing where you're using?
Revolver.
the Bob Lucano.
Yeah. Round.
Wait. Hold on. I know I got a new thing. God damn it.
What
did I just play against? What's up? Bro, look behind you.
What are you using for your weapons?
Who is that?
I don't know, bro. What is that? Oh, bro!
My God, he's controlling.
What the?
How do I get that bad?
I'm gonna die so hard.
So is bro liking that shotgun a bit too? Alright, trust me, I'm not gonna miss a shot this round. Okay? Oh my! I just missed every shot, big boy. Ah!
Let's go. I'm actually going.
Oh!
Holy crap!
Alright, watch this.
Ah! What the?
Oh, 180. Yeah.
Fuck you!
Alright, y'all. Bro, what? Alright, y'all. That was it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. Maybe like the video. Comment down below what you want to see some more. And, yeah. Comment this emoji if you have watched this far. Please, please, do it, do it, do it. Alright, see you guys. Bye!